This is our diaphragm air pump BP series model 101. Binaca Products has been manufacturing these pumps since 1988. These pumps are suitable for low flow and low pressure applications. Maximum flow is 4.5 liters per minute and maximum pressure is 8 psi. These are oil-free, low noise, lightweight, low power consumption miniature air pumps. These are available in 115 and 220 volts AC as standard voltages. Also available in 12 volts and 24 volts on customized basis. DC models are available in 12 volts and 24 volts. Our DC models have very long life as these are driven by our proprietary electronic driver instead of a DC motor. PWM capability is available with DC models for better control. These small diaphragm pumps can be customized with different tube connections, connecting leads, power cords, Molex connectors, and switches. These are commonly used in many applications such as ozone generators, liquid level control, cushion inflation, and air mattresses. Binaca Products is located in California since 1993. For more information, please give us a call or visit our website at binacaproducts.com.